Thanks, Glamwood, for giving us a beautiful house. Every detailing, beginning from the design phase, it has been so wonderful journey. Basically, we when we started having looking around for the designer in the Bangalore, we've been to many places. I won't name big brands as well. My personal favorite area, my breakfast come my bar. So I am very passionate about collection of wines and whiskeys. When we were designing this whole area, this is really designed and thought through by Glamwood. Really appreciate their effort in this.